in कौन सी मार दिया श्रम. Let us discuss the chapter World Between Two Wars. In that chapter, we will particularly deal with a concept, death and destruction caused in the World War I and the World War II. First, the two world wars were different from the other wars that the world still till then. The death occurs in the World War I and the World War II was very high. The impact of the World War I and the World War II is more than the normal wars. The death and destructions caused in the World War I was unprecedented. That means the death caused in the world wars was more than the normal wars. First, we will talk about the death occurs in the World War I. Nearly 20 million people were died and 21 million people were wounded. That means 20 million people were died and 21 million people were injured. And in that 9.7 million people were belongs to the military casualties. That means 9.7 million people are the military people and 10 million people were all the normal persons. That includes 75,000 Indian soldiers who fought in the North Africa and Europe for the behalf of Britain. That means 75,000 Indian soldiers fought for the Britain in Africa and Europe. Why the Indian soldiers fought in the behalf of Britain? That means when in the World War I time, the India is under the control of British rule. So the Indian soldiers fought for the behalf of Britain. The World War I was terrible. The World War II was more terrible than the World War I. Why? Because the death rate occurred in the World War II was very high than the World War I. In that, nearly 22 to 25 million military people were died and 40 to 52 million civilians. That means the normal people were died and nearly 6 million Jews are the victims of Holocaust. In 1945, the US attacked on Japan with 2 nuclear bombs over the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. First, we will talk about the city Hiroshima. The US dropped first nuclear bomb over Hiroshima on August 6, 1945. The bomb was made up of uranium and named as Little Boy. The Little Boy exploded with 13 kilotons of force and leveling 5 miles over the city. That means the atom bomb came from the 13 kilotons of force from the sky. After the dropping of the bomb, immediately 80,000 people were died and 35,000 people were injured. The US dropped atom bomb from the special B-29 bomber plane known as Enola Gay. The special B-29 bomber plane known as Enola Gay. And almost 63% of the buildings were destroyed or damaged due to the impact of nuclear bomb. In total, 92% of the city were destroyed or damaged due to the fire and the blast. And the diseases after the nuclear attack are cancer rate increases in the people and leukemia. That means is a blood cancer that raise white blood cells in the blood in our body. The diseases after the impact of nuclear bomb was cancer rate increases and leukemia is a disease came into the people. By the ending of the year, almost 1,46,000 people were died. After 3 days, the US attacked second nuclear bomb over the city of Nagasaki. Let's talk about the city Nagasaki. The second nuclear bomb detonated over Nagasaki on August 9, 1945, which was made up of plutonium and named as Fat Man. Fat Man exploded by 420 kilometers to the south of Nagasaki. The US dropped this atom bomb from a special bomber plane known as Boxcar. The plane was piloted by the Charles Whinney. The Fat Man was built by the scientists and the engineers of the Los Alamos Laboratory in the year 1945. After the dropping of the bomb, immediately 70,000 people were died and almost 40% of the city was destroyed or damaged due to this bomb attack. And the diseases after the bomb attack are cancer rate increases in the people and leukemia also increases in the people. The nuclear radiation over the city is for up to almost several decades. Due to the bomb attack over the both cities, nearly 1,50,000 to 2,46,000 people were died. And the nuclear radiation of the cities for so many years. First, we will talk about the World War I casualties. Nearly 20 million deaths occurs in the World War I and 21 million people were wounded. That means 21 people were died and 21 million people were injured. In that, nearly 9.7 million people belongs to the military casualties. Military casualties means people belong to the military people. That means 9.7 military people were died and nearly 10 million civilians were died. Means 10 million common people were died. In that, 75,000 Indian soldiers who fought in Europe and Africa for the behalf of Britain. Means 75,000 Indian soldiers fought in the Europe and Africa in the behalf of Britain. Why the Indian soldiers fought in the behalf of Britain? That means when in the World War I time, the India is under the control of British rule. So the Indian soldiers were fought in the behalf of Britain. Next, we will talk about the World War II casualties. Nearly 20 to 25 million casualties were died. That means 22 to 25 million military people were died and 40 to 52 civilians were died. Means 40 to 52 million normal people were died in the World War II and 6 million Jews were the victims of Holocaust. First, we want to know about the Holocaust. The killing of Jews by the Nazi party with the help of Hitler in 1930s and 1940s. That means Hitler want to kill the Jews. So, the Hitler killed the Jews in the World War II time and in that includes 87,000 Indian soldiers were fought in North Africa and Europe for the behalf of Britain. Means 80,000 Indian soldiers were died who fought in the North Africa and Europe continents for the behalf of Britain. Now we will talk about the atom bomb attack on the city of Hiroshima. The US dropped first atom bomb over Hiroshima on August 6, 1945. That means US dropped first atom bomb over Hiroshima on August 6, 1945. The bomb was made up of uranium and named as Little Boy. Little Boy exploded with 13 kilotons of force, leveling 5 square miles over the city. Means the atom bomb dropped from the sky with the 13 kilotons of force and exploded to the level over the city of 5 square miles. And US dropped atom bomb from a B-29 bomber plane known as Enola Gay over the city. Means the US dropped bomb from a special B-29 bomber plane known as Enola Gay. Due to the bomb attack, nearly 80,000 people were died and 30,000 people were injured. Due to the bomb attack, nearly 80,000 people were died immediately and 35,000 people were injured or wounded and 63% of the buildings were destroyed in the city. That means in the total city, 63% of the buildings were destroyed totally immediately. And the diseases due to the impact of atom bomb are cancer rate increases in the people and the disease leukemia. Now we want to know about leukemia. Leukemia is a blood cancer which raises number of white blood cells in the body. After 3 days, the US attacked atom bomb with second time on the city of Japan, which was Nagasaki. The US detonated nuclear bomb on Nagasaki on 9th August 1945, and the bomb is made up of plutonium and named as Fat Man. It was dropped from a bomb planer known as Boxcar. The atom bomb dropped from the sky with a special bomber plane known as Boxcar that was piloted by the Charles Sweeney. Due to the bomb attack, nearly 70,000 people died instantly. After the dropping of bomb over the city, instantly 70,000 people were died. The Fat Man dropped about 420 kilometers to south of Nagasaki. That means the bomb dropped to the south of Nagasaki about 420 kilometers. It was built by the scientists and engineers at the Los Alamos laboratory. The bomb was made in the Los Alamos laboratory by the scientists and the engineers. Almost 40% of the city buildings were completely destroyed. After the bomb dropping, almost 40% of the buildings were destroyed in the city. The diseases due to the bomb attack cancer rate increases in the people, and leukemia also increases in the people, and at last the nuclear radiation in the both cities is up to so many decades. Thank you for watching my video. The next concept will be explained by my friend Navani. Thank you.